In the shadowy forests of New Zealand lives a bird so rare and so strange it defies expectation, standing on two legs but unable to fly. Active at night but vulnerable in daylight, weak in numbers but powerful in story. This is the Kakapo, the night parrot. I'm Venant, and this is Stories and Documentaries TV, Wildlife Animals Documentary. Stay until the end to see the unbelievable fight to save this species. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support wildlife education. The Kakapo, Strigops habroptilus, is a flightless parrot endemic to New Zealand. It belongs to the order Psittaciformes, but is unique among parrots for its night-active behavior. Historically, it roamed native forests and shrublands across both main islands, but now survives only on predator-free islands like Codfish and Anchor Island under strict protection. Its habitat is dense wet forests, often at higher altitudes, using mossy logs, tree cavities and ground shelters to hide from danger. Kakapo are heavy, strong birds, among the heaviest parrots, with soft, mossy green plumage that camouflages them in forest undergrowth. They possess powerful legs to climb trees and move on the forest floor, but their wings have evolved for balance, not flight. When it comes to reproduction, the Kakapo breeds via a lek system. Males call from booming bowls, low-pitched resonant calls, to attract females. After courtship, the female lays 1 to 2 eggs in a ground nest and incubates them alone, feeding chicks carefully with regurgitated food and native flora. Humorous aside, imagine a giant green nocturnal parrot trying to seduce with booming calls in the forest. Nature's oddball, yet perfectly adapted to its niche. Kakapo are strictly nocturnal, hiding during daylight and foraging in darkness. Their diet is mostly native seeds, fruits, roots, and sometimes fungi. Each bird has a home range, but they roam widely in search of food, especially during mast fruiting years when certain trees produce masses of fruit. They also play a critical ecological role as seed dispersers, helping maintain forest diversity. Their slow movement and ground habits make them vulnerable, so they rely heavily on camouflage and stealth. They are silent. They do not flock. They live solitary lives. The Kakapo's decline began with introduced predators, rats, stoats, possums, which prey on eggs, chicks, and even adults. Habitat destruction and fragmentation also reduced their safe breeding ground. By the 1970s, only a few dozen remained. Conservationists responded: predator-free islands, captive breeding, supplementary feeding, and genetic management. Today, strict monitoring, artificial insemination, and habitat restoration aim to keep each bird safe. Their survival is a testament to human will. The Kakapo is the only flightless parrot and the only nocturnal parrot in the world. Some males are recorded booming calls heard several kilometers away. Their population is extremely low, fewer than 250 individuals, making every bird precious. Kakapo have personality, individual quirks, favorite foods, occasional humor in behavior. One bird famously showed curiosity to cameras. These traits make the Kakapo one of nature's most enigmatic and compelling conservation stories. Despite the odds, the Kakapo program has had success. Regular breeding, chick survival, and slow population increases. Future plans include exploring new predator-free islands, advanced genetic methods, and broad public support through ecotourism and awareness. The fight for the Kakapo is about preserving uniqueness in nature, not just another species, but a living symbol of what conservation can achieve. The Kakapo is not just a bird, it is a story of resilience, hope, and the delicate balance of life. Its survival depends on us. If you love this story, subscribe, like, and share this video. Tell me in the comments which rare animal you want to explore next and why. Thank you for supporting Stories and Documentaries TV, Wildlife Animals Documentary. I'm Venant. Goodbye. See you again.